Okay, so this is the new AG-M6E 10 liter. So nice small form factor, as you can tell. Single battery that goes in the front there and latches into position. That's all, just that single plug. And then you have one nozzle here underneath that. Another nozzle on the opposite side. Those are adjustable, and there's another custom boom out option that you can add on as well. All the arms fold down just like on the other model. Propellers fold in as well, and all the landing gear are individual pieces. The very bottom device is a terrain sensor as well, and then the antenna that you see sticking up there, and there is your tank fill neck, and we'll show you how it flies. So launch command,
launch,
and then holding hover here, and then I'm just going to push stick up, launches the aircraft. Great. Now we're going to do a course, so I'm going to bring it down a little bit, and then I'm going to set my A point. So this is the most simple version of mission planning. I've got a switch here that I'm going to just put in this middle position. That records point A. And then I'm going to fly it down to the end of my row, for example. And then I'm going to say that that is my end position here. I'm going to take that same switch and push it all the way down. So that records the point B. And then my flight mode switch, I'm going to put in GPS mode. I'm sorry, auto nav mode, I guess is another word. And then I'm going to tell the aircraft which direction I want it to go. So I want it to start its rows to the left or to the right. Just going to push it left, and then that's it.
There it goes.
The aircraft moves over by the predetermined swath that's set. Right now it's set at 4 meters. It'll come back to where point A was. It'll stop, slide over to the left, further, and that's with no input from me. Now, if your field isn't perfectly square, of course, then you have the ability to, while it's in flight, extend point B or shorten point B, which is the end of my field. And I can also do the same thing over here by a meter increment. So I can push it out further, I can bring it closer further, or closer or further. And then whenever it's either out of spray, or anytime I want to, I can just take control. So I can take this switch here, push it back to the middle, and the aircraft will then be in a hover. Now when it's out of spray, I can automate that to where when it's out of spray, it will actually hover or return to launch automatically, and then you can just put it back in GPS mode and it will resume where it took off from. And we'll show you some spraying in a second.